Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ClickFunnels Sales Funnel Builder. My experience building funnels. ClickFunnels Sales Funnel Builder is a platform designed to help entrepreneurs and businesses create and manage sales funnels. It's targeted primarily towards online businesses, digital marketers, and anyone looking to streamline their sales process. Key features include pre-designed templates, drag-and-drop editing, email marketing integration, and analytics tracking. Their website provides details on various pricing plans and the features included in each. ClickFunnels emphasizes ease of use, allowing users to build complex funnels without coding experience. They highlight the potential for increased conversions and sales through optimized funnels. While they don't explicitly advertise no contracts or no hidden fees, their pricing page outlines the costs of each tier clearly. They utilize a cloud-based platform, ensuring accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. You can explore their site for more information and potentially find a free trial to test the platform. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ClickFunnels Sales Funnel Builder. Setting up my account was surprisingly straightforward. The initial onboarding process guided me through the key features and provided helpful tips. Navigating the interface was pretty intuitive thanks to the drag-and-drop editor. I easily created a landing page for a hypothetical product launch using one of their pre-designed templates, customizing it with my own branding and copy. I even integrated my email marketing service without any hiccups. The platform performed smoothly. I didn't experience any noticeable lag or downtime during my testing. I was really impressed by how quickly I could build a functional funnel, even with my limited coding knowledge. The standout feature for me was definitely the visual editor. Being able to see exactly how my funnel flowed and make adjustments in real time was incredibly helpful. One minor drawback was the sheer number of features. It felt a little overwhelming at first, and I spent a bit of time clicking around to find everything I needed. Also, while the pre-designed templates are a great starting point, some of them felt a bit generic. I had a quick question about integrating a specific payment gateway, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ClickFunnels. While it has a bit of a learning curve, the ease of use and the potential for creating effective sales funnels make it a valuable tool for online businesses. That's my overview of ClickFunnels Sales Funnel Builder, my experience building funnels. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.